Now you can get a chance to get featured on Google and also hack the skills social media handle. How to do it and what is the challenge, all things I'll cover in this video. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. We are talking about the Gen Academy APAC edition challenge. So here a new challenge, that is the spotlight challenge, is live. Now here what you have to do, you have to record a resume video, means who are you, which track you have selected in the Gen Academy APAC edition. If you don't know about it, do not worry, I have attached the video in the description. Make sure to watch it, how to register and all the things I've already covered. Then you have to just share who are you, what is your name, your organization, whether you're a student, just like an introduction you can say. And here which track you are targeting. There are 3 tracks over there, and which milestone you are working on. Okay, why did you decide to join this program? All these questions you have to answer on a video. Okay, and this video should be clearly intentional, and here you have to just share your ambition, and you have to record in vertical format, just like shorts and Instagram reel. You have to record in that format only. Okay, in a professional narrative. Okay, use English preferable. And here you have to, once you have recorded the video, you have to upload it to your Google Drive and just share it using any one link, and then you have to email to this support team. How you have to do, you have to simply open drive.google.com. okay, now here what you need to do, you have to simply click on new, or you can just upload the file over here. So let me just show you a quick demo. Click on this file upload, and after that just select a video. For example, I'm just showing you a sample video. Okay, you need to just upload a vertical video over here. Then once it is uploaded, just come to my drive, and here you can see any one of these file. I have uploaded this now. So from here just click on this, click on share. Okay, share and just update it to anyone with this link. Okay, so just make it here. And after that what you can do, you can just copy the link and just mail to this mail address. Okay, you can just copy this email address and just add the person over here and just click on done. It will be better if you just draft a mail, this is my proposal, this is my introduction, and add this, copy this public link over there and simply attach to them and mail it. You'll be getting opportunity to get featured, and chances are there you may get some cool swags depending on the team, because they just have multiple challenges over there. Okay, here is a playlist. I have shared complete details regarding the event. You can watch it and understand. The lab solutions are also there if you want to complete it. And if you're interested in different events like career wars, like getting certified by Google, and different challenges which are already live, how to participate in Google Cloud Arcade and get the goodies, and there are multiple challenges. I will attach all the links in the description. Make sure to check it out, and do like the video and subscribe the channel, and have a great day. Thank you. Goodbye.